C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Does come with both tops, so it's kind of got the blue transparent one and then the black color match top. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. They are actually at 37,531. Adult owned and driven, and it shows this baby is in nice condition. Take a look at the front fascia, not full of rock chips, touch up, anything like that. Yes, it's black. You may find an imperfection here or there, but considering year and miles, very nice shape. It also does have a front license plate bracket that has been added, but it hides down underneath, and it can be pulled out and then flipped up. So it's one of those that you can hide if you don't want it showing, maybe to show or what have you, and when you're driving it, you can pull it out and display your license plate. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. You'll be able to see the top in, top out. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. C6 chrome wheels. It's like Bridgestone radials. The technician did make a note about the radials. They have plenty of tread left on them, but they're starting to show their age. 2012 date code, just to make you aware of that. You're going to take any long trips or drives, you know about the age of the tires. As far as brakes up front, you can see disc brakes, of course, at all four corners. The brakes are 75% in the front, 85% in the rear. So we take a look down this passenger side, again, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. So black interior, gray interior, leather bucket seats, center console, electronic dual climate control. We're going to get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look. We'll also start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. This car will come with a car cover. Of course, the center dump exhaust, and you can see paint on the rear of the car, also nice shape, nice shine to it, good luster. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And if you know somebody else that would enjoy a Corvette, go ahead and share any of our videos that you see that you think somebody may like. We appreciate it. Up and down the driver's side, you can also see really free of, again, any major nicks, dings, scratches. Chrome wheels look good. According to the previous owner of this car, the original owners were in their 70s. So like I said, this has been adult owned and driven, well maintained and cared for. So of course your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see seating surfaces, leather's in nice shape. Power seat over here in the driver's side, of course, tilt column. Let me flip these visors up. You would have your tap shift with the automatic transmission. So it's an automatic with overdrive, of course, a 6-liter LS2. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want to show you the exact miles here. And also gauges. You can see that was a cold start. Oil pressure come up, tax working, there it is, 37,531. All the gauges working, no service engine soon, check engine light, anything like that. Little driver's information center, where the controls are, of course the electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player. What we got here? There we go. Stereo working as it should. Top of the dash looks good. You can see right now it has that kind of blue transparent top that's in. And there's also a kind of cargo cover back there, basically for privacy cover so you can't see what's in the back. And then that matching hardtop fits in the rear also. Go ahead and pop that hood so we can take a peek at that in just a bit. Step around behind so you can hear it run. Sounds like stock exhaust, nothing crazy over the top. And there it is. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, hood liner. Also clean. Does not appear this thing's been driven in much spring climate weather. Good power plant too, that LS2 6-liter. I noticed on the website this one's priced right too. I don't think this one's going to stick around long. Clean car, good color. Nice shape. Original mile car, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, both tops. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette in black. This car comes with two roofs. One is painted and one is see-through. Currently we have the see-through roof in right now, or you can run without one. The open top experience with the target top removed. This car has less than 40,000 miles on it. Barely broken in. Clean interior, clean exterior. Clean as in good condition, very nice condition. This is an automatic right here on the center console. I don't even have to go to half throttle to get to speed fast. This Corvette's handle so well and perform so well. The temperature gauge is showing about 200 degrees, coming down. I think a thermostat just opened, coming down to 190. The oil pressure is 40 pounds of pressure. The battery is charging over 14 volts, and the battery's over 14, and the fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. All those gauges are looking good where they should be. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Stereo working. We have tap shifting right here on the steering wheel, in addition to the automatic. Brakes nice and smooth. A quiet ride. But for a little rumble out the back that every Corvette should have. Corners nice and flat. Doesn't lean in the corners hardly at all. Almost all Corvettes are like that. There's the great acceleration in this car. Seems, I don't know, it runs stronger to me than I think a lot of the factory ones do, but could just be having a great day. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2006 Chevrolet Corvette and find out all the answers to your questions at uniqueclassiccars.com.